Welcome to the Long Gone Loser Rock Show. I'm in Sydney. There's your proof. The Harbour Bridge, my friends. The Harbour Bridge. Yes, I am in Sydney for a few days and I'm going to be doing a bunch of AC/DC sites while I'm here. Well, a few, not a lot, but a few. And while I'm here in Alexandria today, I'm actually going to show you one of the coolest sites, which unfortunately I feel is going to get painted over soon. I'm here in Alexandria at the Manny's Music Store, which actually has this awesome mural of Angus painted on the front of it. Now, they've actually moved, so I get the feeling that this is going to be painted over soon. But I wanted to capture it now while I can because it's awesome. Look at this thing. How awesome is that? That is unreal. I am blown away by this. So very, very cool. Anyway, it's just outside the Waterloo Station. Actually, when you leave Waterloo Station, which is just that building there, you can actually see this Angus mural from when you're up there on the boardwalk. So if you want to come and get a photo of it before it gets taken down, yeah, do it quickly in case it does, because they've moved now just down the street, 350 meters according to this sign. There's a tag up there near the end of the guitar neck there, so I'm assuming that is who did the artwork. And oh my god, whoever you are, you absolutely nailed it. Surtopia, yeah, incredible artwork. I love it. Thank you so much for this incredible artwork of Angus Young. Love it. We are in Burleigh Street in Burwood. And why is this a famous place and why are we here? We are here because this is a street where the kids known as Malcolm and Angus Young formed AC/DC. Now, to start things off, we're going to check out this mural by Claire Foxton, which has been put here to obviously commemorate the birth of AC/DC. So check this out. This mural is awesome. It was commissioned by the Burwood Council and Claire has done an incredible job. The likeness is unreal, so let's check it out. Here is the mural. Unfortunately, there's a bit of shadow on the walls, but that's okay. It's fine. You can get an idea of the design there. Awesome. I love the likeness. They did so well in getting this. This is incredible. Right behind me at 4 Burleigh Street was where the childhood home was of Angus and Malcolm Young, and it unfortunately has been knocked down. I do not know why Burwood Council did not step in and make this heritage listed, because it should have been. Shame on you, Burwood Council, shame on you. This should have been bought and heritage listed and turned into some sort of AC/DC museum. That would have been the best thing ever, but it didn't happen. Instead it got knocked down, which apparently caused a huge uproar. People were really, really furious about this, and I don't blame them. It's, yeah, unfortunate, but this is where it is, 4 Burleigh Street in Burwood. To think that this little parking lot space, empty thing here was where those riffs were born. You know? Oh my god. Incredible. It's right next to this place called the Lady Green Flower House, which has all these records on the wall inside. Pretty damn cool. It's like a studio or something. Awesome. And the final stop on our AC/DC trek while here in Sydney is we are at Waverley Cemetery, where we have come to see the final resting place of Malcolm Young. So beautiful cemetery here that looks out over the water. So yeah, come with us and let's pay our respects to one of the greatest guitar players in Australian rock and roll history. Let's go. This is awesome. So here we are at the final resting place of Malcolm Young from AC/DC. So check this out. It's beautiful. Look at this awesome banner that somebody's left there. So we can see here Malcolm Young, 1953 to 2017, born Glasgow, Scotland, and Olinda Youngney, Irish, born in the Falkland Islands. We have this sign here. Malcolm M. Young, you are missed every day but not forgotten, always in our hearts. Job well done, Mal. From Enrique Diaz, Spain, November 2025. Love these messages left for him. Someone's left some coins, we've got some bottles of beer. Always loved, never forgotten. Well, my friends, from here at Waverley Cemetery in Sydney, it's time to say thank you very much for watching this episode of the Long Gone Loser Rock Show, where we checked out these few AC/DC sites. Thank you for coming on this journey with me. Please take care of yourselves, look after each other, and I will see you in another video. Cheers.